Yeah, wonderful moment for Pakistan cricket. Really was a very good series, well contested. And they were the better side on the day. So winning this Independence Cup 2-1. Another feather in the cap for Sarfraz and his men. And so the celebrations will begin here. They're becoming quite used to winning the limited overs tournaments and trophies. Yeah, lovely scenes, great pictures, and credit to Pakistan for winning yet another contest. They've been outstanding. After winning the Champions Trophy, they won the Independence Cup as well. Hope you enjoyed the presentation and you enjoyed these pictures. That is all we have from the presentation down here at the ground.
And celebrations all round for the Pakistan team. They're the winners of the Independence Cup. They look like a happy bunch. Very well led by Sarfraz Ahmed, Mickey Atta, who worked really hard on their fitness. You could see that kind of energy in the team today, diving around, sprinting around with all those direct hits. Ahmed Shahzad with a blistering knock, and they are the champions of the Independence Cup. Very well led by